RG Tech Computer Tutorials.
Hi guys and welcome to my channel. This is actually the second part of my video about useful tips if you have a new laptop or computer. But before we proceed, you must know that it's applicable only if your hard disk or hard drive is split into two. Okay, so let me go first to the File Explorer. As you can see here, we have letter C, which is our Windows, and letter D here, which is our documents. Okay, it might be that way for a purpose, just in case your computer won't boot up and need to flash again a new operating system. Your important documents still safe. It's cool to be heard, right? Okay, let's move on to our topic. In our navigation pane, we can see a lot of folders here. And when you're gonna work, only for 7 folders here. Okay, for example, we choose first our desktop. And most of the time, we always save important files here. What we're gonna do is select it, then right click, go down to properties, choose location, and replace the letter C, backspace, and replace it to letter D. So this is capital letter D. Then after that, click apply, then OK. So the same thing we do in our contacts, downloads, documents, music, pictures, and videos. I show you how this is effective. Let's open Excel. Type for a text, then save. As you can see, it is automatically saved it to documents folder. In of course in our drive D. So if you remember, we changed our location from drive C to drive D, and that's it. Okay guys, let me know in your comments and other suggestions so I can post it in my upcoming videos. If you found this video interesting with you, kindly hit like, subscribe, and thank you for watching.